This is the last extract of the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom. I knew that oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. In this line, Nelson Mandela wants to say that oppressor means the white-skinned people who are ruling cruelly over the black-skinned people. They are also not free. They also must be made free. Their condition, oppressor's condition, is also just like oppressed. How? He will prove in the next lines. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow mindedness. Here Nelson Mandela wants to say that oppressor are those persons who take away another man's freedom forcibly. When they take away another man's freedom, they also become the victim of prejudice. Prejudice means partiality, narrow-mindedness, hatred, avarice, greed, selfishness. They also become the victim of all these evil human qualities. So they think that they are free, but really oppressors are not also free. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom. Mandela wants to make it clear that if anybody is taking away anyone's freedom forcibly, he thinks that he is free, then he is not free. He is the prisoner of evil human qualities like hatred, partiality, anger, jealousy, etc. Just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. Here he compares the oppressor to the oppressed. He says that if just like oppressor are not free because their freedom has been taken away by the oppressors, same way oppressors are also not free because they are the prisoner of evil human qualities. And oppressor also do not have humanity, and oppressed also do not have humanity due to lack of freedom. The oppressor and the oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. In the last line of the chapter, Nelson Mandela wants to say that the condition of the oppressed men and oppressors is alike. Both of them don't have humanity because oppressors are the prisoner of evil human qualities and oppressed are the prisoner of oppressors. Oppressors means white-skinned people. Once again I will repeat this extract. In this extract, Nelson Mandela wants to tell that oppressors and oppressed are alike. He says that oppressors are those persons who takes away another man's freedom forcibly, and oppressed are those persons whose freedom already has been taken away by someone. Oppressor thinks themselves free, but really they are not free because when they takes away another man's freedom forcibly, they become the victim of, they become the prisoner of evil human qualities like hatred, jealousy, prejudice, partiality, narrow-mindedness. So really they are also not free. Their condition is also just like the oppressed. Oppressed are not free because their freedom has been taken away by the oppressor, but oppressors are not free because they had become cruel. Anyone will be cruel only when he will be the prisoner of evil human quality like partiality, anger, hatred, jealousy, etc. Nelson Mandela wants to say that oppressor and oppressed, both of them don't have humanity, so both condition is same.